Good morning. Welcome back to your TEAS Test Tutor. I'm your tutor, Melissa del Valle. And today we're going to be in the area of math. Math is a very strong component, and from what I'm gathering, it's one of the hardest portions besides science to pass the TEAS test. So it's very important to study your math, your algebra, your geometry in order to be able to take the TEAS test. Today we're going to be in algebra and the subtopic is going to be converting among non-negative fractions, decimals, and percentages. So this is a part 1 of 3 series. I want to take it slow, sweet, and simple. The videos I want to keep them small, so that way it could be easily digestible. You can hear them while you're on the go, or several videos in one sitting. However you want to do it, however you want to study, that's up to you. However, studying this is very important for the TEAS test. Okay, so fractions. You can see from there, right? Okay, fractions is anything that, like, it looks like this. You're either gonna see it A/B or A on top of B, and this would equal. These are integers. This would equal an integer. Okay. A fraction is a number expressed as a numerator and a denominator. The numerator being on top, the denominator being on the bottom. An integer is a whole number and their opposites. A whole number and their opposites. So anything like 0, 5, 3, 7, or -5, -3, -7. That's what integers are. Okay. A numerator, like I said, is the top of the number, the top of the fraction, and the denominator is the bottom of the fraction. And this will equal part of a whole number or an integer. Part of a whole number or an integer. Okay. We will, in order to find the fraction, we would have to divide the numerator, this one, by the denominator, this one, for it to give us the fraction. Okay? And it's very important that you divide the top number by the bottom number, not the bottom number by the top number, because it will give you a different result. For example, 2 divided by 1 is going to give you 2. One divided by 2 is going to give you your fraction at 0.5. Okay? All right. Let's delete this again. So, other examples to go bigger is going to be 36 divided by 11. 36 divided by 11 on the TEAS test, you will have a calculator, so you can just input this on the calculator just like this. I am not going to go over the work problems for this today. I'm not going to work out the problem today. However, if you go on the TEAS test, it's going to be that simple. You will literally 36 divided by 11. And that will give you 3.27, and it keeps going. So it'll be 3.27, 27, 27, 27, 27, all the way through. I wanted to give you somewhat of a hard one because when we're learning chemistry, you're going to see this one again and how we can work this problem later. Okay? But for now, I just want to dip your toes in, like one would say. Okay? So, one more example in order and we can cut this video off, would be 4 divided by 20. 4 divided by 20 is 0.2. And in other words, if you were to divide the bottom number by the top number, that would make it 20 divided by 4, which would equal 5. This is a whole number. We want a fraction. So it's very important that you divide the numerator, the top number, from the denominator, the bottom number. All right? So that's it for fractions today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you can dream it, you can achieve it. That's been said long before. I don't know who said it, who was the first one to say it, but it's a famous quote. And just know that if you attract it to you, you will pass it, okay? So you guys have a blessed day, and I hope to see you on the next video, part 2. All right? Stay blessed. Bye.